It's not that I make a lot of money, like millions from it, but at least I make 100 to 200,000 naira from this side also. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about 5 skills you can learn to make money online in 2025. I'm going to be mentioning 2 of the services that I am currently doing, and I'll make a lot of money from it. It's not that I make a lot of money, like millions from it, but at least I make 100 to 200,000 naira from this side also. If you're seeing for the first time, give you a warm welcome. What we do on this channel is talking how to make money online and offline, business ideas and tips. If that is what you are interested in, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, I pledge that I will never give you false information. If you've been following me, you will have known this, that I don't pass wrong information. I don't give you a wrong idea of making money online and stuff like that you get. So if you are interested in making money online and you want to really make money online, then I will advise you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to be starting from the 5th, which is the least one. 5 is online cafe. This is something I tried this year and I really made up to like 200 plus from this particular online business. I'm not like, it's not mouths, I'm not making mouths, like seriously I make this money because I did a video on that previously. I don't know if you watched it, and if you want me to elaborate more on this online cafe business, then let me know in the comment section. Number 4, which is blogging. Again, blogging is also a skill that you can learn to make money online. You really need to have a special skill, but if you are speed in typing, it's also an advantage to you, but you can actually learn it as you are doing the job. Like, blogging is a very lucrative business, but mind you, blogging is not something that you can actually start today and start making money today, unlike online cafe. Online cafe is something that is very lucrative, and you know, I pay my tuition myself, my art strengths, my feeding, everything. It's all of me, so I have to look for several ways to make money for myself so I can actually fit in. Like, I mean, I like to make quick, so I can do things myself and sort out my bills and stuff like that you get. Now let's move on to the next one, which is number 3, ghostwriting. Ghostwriting also is a very lucrative business, and if you need to do your own research on ghostwriting, there are a lot of websites out there that you can actually write for. They really need a good writer like you. If you like storybook, like watching movies, you can write a script, you can write a novel, you can write storybooks, then you are needed somewhere. If you want me to list out websites on that as well, let me know in the comment section if you have interest in that. And let's move to number 2, which is content creating. Like I am doing right now, I'm creating a content video, passing information to you on how you can make money. So you can also be doing that if you have idea on particular something. You have something that I don't have, so I'm ready to learn from you. So if you have that special thing that you are good at, then why don't you why don't you become a content creation? Try to teach people what you know so we can learn from you. Okay, and if you are kind of a person that is shy, then you can try a faceless channel, but it is more actually more interactive when you try out something like this. You know, you have to build your audience, building trust. You know, when you build trust, you build an audience, you can easily say something else to your audience. You do understand what I'm saying? But you can also go into faceless channel. What I'm just saying is that putting your face out there is more actually advantageous to faceless channel. Did you get? So the very first one on my list is social media manager. Social media marketing is very lucrative, but you need a mentor. I mean, someone that is going to guide you on how you can actually start this particular side also, or a skill. You need to learn it, you need to know more about it, you need to like actually go into it deeply, learn more about marketing. You can actually start by using your own social media pages. There's nothing like a perfect time for you to post on social media. It's just that you need to keep posting. Consistency is just the key. Just know your niche and start posting videos steadily. Try out something interesting on my second channel, and I found out what I have been doing wrong on this particular channel. That is inconsistency. I was not consistent on this channel, and I am back fully. Social media marketing is something that you can actually look into if you are really interested in social media. You love the social media marketing. It's not that stressful, but sometimes it is very difficult.